If you're hosting a dinner party or afternoon brunch, make your table look as good as your food tastes with these personalized napkins. They double as name place cards and they make a special take-home gift. These one-of-a-kind napkins are easy to create when you have the Brother Luminaire sewing and embroidery machine. So if you're ready, let's make it! You'll need your Brother Luminaire sewing and embroidery machine, cotton fabric and coordinating colors, patterns, and textures, a rotary cutter and straight edge, scissors, a measuring tape, and straight pins. Each napkin will finish as a 20 by 20 inch square, so get enough fabric to make however many napkins you need for the party. I can get 4 napkin sides out of a 1.25 yard piece of fabric. Now decide if you want solid on one side, a print on the other, or the same on both. Have fun with this and create the look and theme for your gathering. To start, cut a 20.5 by 20.5 inch square of fabric. I'm using a print for the inside and a solid for the outer layer. This is where I'll do the embroidery design. Next, head over to the embroidery machine and create your design. You can choose from the built-in embroidery designs your machine already has, or go to iBroidery.com to find more. Be sure to add the guest's name under your design. You'll make one of these for all the guests at your party. Hoop up your fabric and start the embroidery process. This is where you get to sit back and let the machine do the work. Once all of the napkin pieces are complete, lay the front and back fabric pieces right sides together. Pin around the edge and sew around the outer layer, leaving about a 3-inch opening. Be sure to clip the corners. Turn the piece right sides out and turn in the opening, and press flat. Now, using your sewing machine, select a decorative stitch to complement the design and top stitch all the way around. You'll do this for all of your personalized napkins. And there you have it, personalized napkins, one for each one of your guests. Now, the best thing about this idea is when dinner is over, your guests can take these home and you don't have to do the laundry. You might have to do the dishes, but you don't have to do the laundry. So go set the table and enjoy your time together.